around the off group 1, and that's what happen to the remote when you put 5 items such as nut covering, plastic, towel, paper, and aluminum foil, and that's all.
My name is Princess Quadra from G10-J.LUNA. Now I will show you how remotes still work without covering anything. Now it's work.
Hi everyone, my name is Yesimi Manahan. So now I will try the remote without covering a plastic, and let's see if it's work or not. 1, 2, and it's work. This time I will try the remote with covering a plastic, and let's see if it's work or not. 1, 2, and it's work again. Now, we will try if the remote will work even if we cover it with a towel. Cut. Quarto green from group 1. So, next I will cover the remote with paper. I tried it.
I'm going to demonstrate this remote kung gumagana po ba siya o hindi. You can see, Char.
As you can see, this remote is mag-yellow pa siya. Mag-yellow. Oh.
Oh.